y'all, what's going on? It's your girl Missnaturalshay. How y'all doing? I hope y'all feeling good, feeling great. Y'all, I'm so excited, and if y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what this video is all about. The main star up in this thing got me a box from the Walgreens. Ooh, ooh, the Walgreens. Ooh, ooh. I wonder what's up in this thing. We about to find out. I'm gonna do an unboxing of let me go ahead and slice and dice this thing. Hey, let's open up this thing. The first thing that's gonna pop out Haribo Peaches. Boo boo. Purchase did not add up to $35, so I had to add one little thing of this, which was like $1 and some change. So boo, let's eat this right now. Let's tear into this thing. Look, cute. Want a bite? All right. You know what? Are y'all ready? Pow. Ta-da. Watch out now. Ooh, ooh. Thank you next. Hey, 2.0. What it do? ASMR. You know how I do, baby. Oh, look at that pretty heart on the front. Ain't it so pretty? And it's in a purple. You see the 2.0 right there. I'm a sucker for good packaging. So it's ARIANA Grande. Thank you next, 2.0. I'm so excited to get up in this thing. Let's bust it wide open. Dun, 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 dun. Ain't it pretty? This is so cute. I don't even have the first one. So what's up in this thing? What's the keynotes and everything? Ooh, okay, here we go. You know what? Scent type is gourmand, okay? The top notes is saying that it's juicy apple, wild strawberry cream, pomegranate. Okay, y'all. The mid notes is lush white orchid. So beautiful. Orchids are beautiful. Jasmine petal. And then the base notes, y'all. Whipped marshmallow. Musk. Y'all already know. Y'all already know how I feel about the musk. And then some sandalwood. When I tell y'all I'm excited to try this thing. Look at the packaging. Ain't it so pretty? So cute. This is a 1.0. I'm gonna have to go and get me a big one because I already know I'm gonna like it. We about to go ahead and smell this thing up. I want y'all to smell it with me. I'm gonna do 3 sprays. You know, we gotta, Ooh, boo-boo. She's smelling already and all I'm doing is fanning. Y'all wanna smell it? Oh, get it. Get a good whiff, boo. Get a good whiff. OMG, this thing is hitting. When I tell, oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, y'all. This thing is popping. Channel positive energy and be unapologetically you. Period. That's for you, sis. That's for you, sis. That's for you, sis. Bro in the back. Unapologetically you, boo. Okay? Period. Y'all, this thing, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. I can smell a strawberry cream. I can definitely smell the musk and the sandalwood, boo. Like, they are present. They are here to stay, okay? Whipped marshmallow, because there is a sweet smell going on. Whoo. Y'all, when I tell y'all this thing is popping, I hope y'all go ahead and get y'all one, okay? Y'all need it in your life, because she is new boo that you need in your life. All right, so the first thing that I thought about was strawberry pound cake, wild strawberry cream. So of course your strawberry pound cake has your fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I'm thinking this will be a bop. Like, this would go really well with this. And I'm sure it would. Oh my gosh. It's just, y'all. Ooh, yes. Coconut cream pie to me would go great with it. I was smelling it, and then I was smelling my hand like, this would go with it. I like to mix up stuff, so I'm gonna have my little concoctions going on. So yes, this one is toasted coconut flakes, caramel, custard, and golden pie crust. I think this will go really well with it. Then I thought about Magic in the Air. I think that's a good one too to go with this scent. And this one has almond flour, sparkling persimmon, white iris, whipped vanilla bourbon, and fluffy sandalwood. Boo boo, right here. I think this is a perfect match. I'm gonna actually put some right here on this side, just so I can like smell both hands together. That smells, ooh, that smells good. These could go together. Seriously, they could go together. On like a flowery note, I thought about Perfect Peony could go with this. She's really good. Blend of sorbet peony, natural apple oil, and vanilla sandalwood. If you want to go sweet, sweet. Velvet sugar. Smells like a blend of red velvet creme and golden plum laced with a swirl of sugar musk, pink jasmine, and wild strawberries. This will go well with this, boo. Yes. Here's the vanilla almond, true blue. This is bomb, 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 bomb. Y'all can put that with the new boo. The new boo, she here. I did grab the whipped vanilla chiffon. It's a vanilla scent, and I just think it would pair well with the new boo. Because boo boo, I'm just so excited. This thing is popping. All right, y'all. So another scent that would go well with it to me is coconut coffee. It just smells so good and sweet. Oh my gosh. But I think it will go well with the Thank You Next. Ooh. If y'all don't have this in your life, boo, as the daggone body wash and the lotion, I think it would go nicely with it too. I just like to mix up my scent. So if it don't work for you, just move on to the next one. Try your different scents, mix them up. Have fun with it, y'all. Have fun with it. That's what we do over here on my channel. We have fun with mixing up the scents. So then another one that I think will go good with it is the Coconut Miracle Oil Lotion or the body wash or both. Yes, y'all. This smells good too. I know this does not have coconut in it, but it just goes. And I just put something right on top of my perfume. I just think it just goes. Like, it's a nice, coconut is a good scent. And it has, vanilla bean extract. I ain't even had it no more, but yep, vanilla bean extract. Yes, boo. So, I be tripping sometimes, but it's just like what I be thinking about. I guess all the concoctions that I've done tried. I'm getting way better with like what goes with what, or what I think goes with what, because I mean the possibilities are endless. The possibilities are endless. Then I also wanted to bring in my girl Black Amethyst, and her keynotes is peony petals, sweet sandalwood, and patchouli, and creamy amber. So I think that this would go well with our Thank You Next. Because again, for the notes, it's a gourmand scent. It's a fruity family. The top notes is juicy apple for our Thank You Next 2.0. Wild strawberry cream pomegranate. Mid note is lush white orchid and jasmine petals. And then our base note is whipped marshmallow, musk, and sandalwood. So all of these guys, plus any other ones that y'all can think of, boo. If y'all got this scent today, okay, because I got some peeps, my boo-boos, they done got this scent today. Let me know down in the comments below. Y'all already know how we do over here. I love to chit chat with you guys. But yes, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing / review. And Anyway, y'all, this thing is popping. I can't wait to spray my whole body down with it. So anyway, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. Please make sure you are subscribed. If you're not, please join the gang over here because we love to have a good time and talk about our scents and all that great stuff. And make sure that you share this video with any and everyone. Guess what, guys? This thing is free 99, period. So I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. And again, I love you guys for watching. Peace.